So in this module, we're going to be looking at visualization systems. So before we do that, we should nail down some concepts. And so there's going to be several concepts that we'll need to review and introduce on these visualization systems that'll be helpful. The first one we've seen before, it's information visualization. We've used that as a term to describe the plotting of data that uses different coordinates than what was provided. In information visualization, as opposed to scientific visualization or other domain visualization, where the data comes to you in a more concrete metaphor, information visualization, the information is much more abstract, and so the challenge is going to be being able to take that abstract information and find a concrete metaphor to communicate it to the viewer so that it can be more easily understood. The second is large data visualization. We often hear of big data, and there's also big data visualization. The focus of big data or large data visualization is sometimes just on the computational mechanics of handling large data sets. But we're going to focus specifically on the visualization of large data, where the data is so large that it's visually overwhelming if you display everything. And so you have to be very selective about what you display so that you can keep it mentally organized. And so we're going to depend on interactivity, the interactive aspect of these visualization systems, to be able to, over time, focus on certain elements of our visualization that we're interested in and to be able to ignore other elements so that these data sets, which will be very large, don't overwhelm our cognitive understandings. Third is visual analytics. Visual analytics is an area that grew out of business analytics and business intelligence, and it's specifically on visualization, being able to look at data sets visually and to be able to analyze them, draw conclusions from them. And it focuses also on being able to make a decision based on data, and that decision is implied by the visualization, that the visualization is giving you the insight in order to make a good decision based on your data. And finally, the goal of this week is to make a visualization dashboard. We want to be able to organize the visualizations. When we have multiple visualizations, when we have a lot of data, we'll want to be able to produce a dashboard view that gives you everything you need in order to be able to make a good decision based on the data. So those are some of the terms, some of the main concepts that we use when we talk about visualization systems. We start with information visualization, but our goal for the week is going to be to understand how to make a visualization dashboard, how to make a visualization system that we can use to make decisions.